Welcome everyone to the very first episode of Jake's Garage. Today we're going to be going over some of the projects you're going to see on the channel and some of the other tools in the shop that we might review and play with later on. So first off, let me tell you about the first project I have, which is my 1968 Chevy C10 stepside. It has a GM 350 crate motor with a turbo 350 transmission behind it. Pretty much bone stock. Got a set of headers on it, intake, carb. Still have to wire it up, plumb it up, get the front end all together, radiator in, run some exhaust. I plan on doing some straight pipes back, maybe an H pipe on it, turn it down in front of the tires. The main purpose of this truck here is I just want to do burnouts and drifting with it, just have some fun. It's something I bought off a friend of mine. He was getting rid of it and I figured I'd just save it and get it back to life and play with it. It's nothing special. It's just a basic C10. Was originally a 3-on-the-tree truck. It's been converted to an automatic, but they have left a clutch pedal in there. So got all kinds of parts and goodies for it. Got some parts in there. Got some more parts around here. So I got some other parts inside the house. Just really need to get to it and start turning some wrenches on it. Another thing I plan on doing on the channel is reviewing this Colossal Tech Cut 50 plasma cutter. I purchased it off eBay for $348 shipped to my door. It is it's pretty good. It's $220. I've had no problems with it, but we'll review it, show you what it can cut. It did come with all the leads and everything. I'm very satisfied with it. I'll show that to y'all. And another thing I would like to do on the channel is do some head work. I have this Black & Decker valve grinder, and I also have the valve seat cutter. Got a set of aluminum heads over there I'd like to put on a 68 one day. So we're going to sit here and play with this and see if we can't figure out how to learn and how to use it. I've never used it before. I got a general idea, but we can all figure it out. So stick around. Let's see what kind of stuff we can get into. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Leave some comments below on things you might want to see done on the channel. Thank you. Have a great day.